Hey everyone, is your car acting up? Maybe the check engine light is on, the battery keeps dying, or your AC just won't blow cold air. Well, if you're in Musaffah, I've got the perfect solution for you. Let me introduce you to Packland Automotive Services Garage. Their team of skilled technicians uses the latest equipment to find and fix the root of the problem fast. Don't let electrical gremlins ruin your day. You can reach them at 055 991 9120 or 056 280 4784. Check out their website at packlandautomotive.com for more info. Thanks for watching.